Hey everyone, welcome back to the Firestick Advisor. So in today's video, I'll show you how to jailbreak your Fire Stick in just 2 minutes. This method works with all Fire Stick models, whether you have the Fire TV Stick Lite, Fire TV Stick 4K, Fire TV Stick 4K Max, or even the Fire TV Cube. This guide has you covered. So let's jump right in and get started. Now, you might be wondering, what's the purpose of jailbreaking your Fire Stick? Simply put, jailbreaking removes some of the limitations that Amazon puts on the device, allowing you to access a much wider range of content and apps. This means you can install third-party apps that let you stream movies, TV shows, live TV, and more all in one place. It doesn't affect your Fire Stick's performance or its warranty. It just opens up new possibilities for your streaming experience. So if you're ready to take your Fire Stick to the next level, let's deep dive into the next steps. All right, so first, let's install an app called Downloader. This app lets us easily install third-party apps on your Fire Stick. From your Fire Stick home screen, go to Find and select Search. And we're going to type in Downloader in the search bar. We're going to get it and install it on our Fire Stick. Okay, so once it's installed, we don't want to open it just yet. We need to change a quick setting first. So now we're going to enable permissions to allow Downloader to install apps from unknown sources. So now from the home screen here, you want to go to Settings and then go to select My Fire TV. This is Settings all the way on the right over here. Click on that, and then this little menu will pop up, and My Fire TV is right down on the bottom here. Now, if you don't see developer options, you can unlock it by going to the About and then pressing Select on Fire TV Stick or Fire TV 7 times. This will enable developer options. All right, so this Fire TV Stick 4K here. We're going to select it 7 times. All right, now I'm going to go back and you'll see developer options has popped up on this menu. Okay, so now in developer options, we're going to turn on ADB debugging and apps from unknown sources. Okay, so now that that has been turned on, we're going to go down here to where it says install unknown apps, and we're going to find Downloader and turn it on for unknown sources. And look at that, it's the only one there. And it's now been turned on. So now that Downloader has permission to install third-party apps, we are ready for the next step. Okay, so you might be wondering, after jailbreaking your Fire Stick, are you safe? No. Can you stream safely? No. Are you being tracked? Yes. So what should you do? Well, you need to get a VPN. So jailbreaking unlocks access to tons of content, but it also exposes your activity, leaving you open to tracking and restrictions based on your location. And so that is where a VPN comes in. We went with NordVPN because they're the best for streaming. They're fast, reliable, and they unlock tons of content. Plus, we negotiated a special discount just for our YouTube family so you can get it at a lower price. And to get started, you can just click on the link in the description below or scan this QR code to access the discounted prices. You'll see a few plan options. The 2-year plan gives you the biggest savings, but if you want to just try it out, there's also a 1-month plan that's budget friendly and is perfect for testing it out. Choose the one that works best for you, and once you sign up, come back here and I'll show you exactly how to set it up on your Fire Stick to start streaming safely and privately. All right, so then now that you have your NordVPN account, let's set it up on your Fire Stick to make sure that your streaming is secure. So from your Fire Stick home screen, we're gonna go to Find and select Search. And we're gonna find NordVPN, and we're gonna click and download it on our Fire Stick. There we go. So all we had to do was type in NordVPN and select it when it appeared on the list. Now click download or get to install the NordVPN app on your Fire Stick. And once it's installed, open the NordVPN app. Okay, now we're on the app screen. We're gonna log in using the NordVPN account details that I just created. And I'm gonna actually scan this QR code. It'll log me into my NordVPN account. Okay, so after logging in, you'll see this list of servers down here. You just choose a server location and hit connect. And that's it. NordVPN is connected. Your streaming service is now secure. Your IP address is hidden, and you're ready to access even more content without restrictions. Okay, so now we have opened the downloader app, and we are entering the following URL to download an app called Kodi. It's https://kodi.tv/download. Now we're just waiting for the download to complete. When the download finishes, we select install to complete the installation of Kodi. And that's it. With Kodi installed, you now have access to an incredible media player that opens up a world of streaming options. Kodi is one of the most versatile apps available. You can add content, stream movies, watch live TV, and so much more with the right add-on. All right, there you have it. So in just a few minutes, you've transformed your Firestick and unlocked a world of streaming possibilities. Now remember, if you still need that VPN discount, check the link in the description or scan the QR code to grab the deal. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. And let me know in the comments what you're streaming next. Thank you for watching.